Where you going, buddy? You want to go get the fish with Cleo? Cleo has a fish for you.
What's up, dude? Brah, so, good news is...
Cleo, there's a fish. Where's the fish? You have a fish? You gonna go give it to Jacob? He's in the other room. This way. Jacob.
They're telling me that
Oh no, it's dark in here.
So.
Uh-oh, dark.
Yeah, is it a pretty cool spot? Okay. Well then,
Huh. Did you shut the door? Hold on. Open? Mm-hmm. Hey, Bubba.
9, 9:15, something like that. Okay, the metro stop for everyone is Mount Vernon. Okay, and then they walk which way?
Can you give the fishy to Jacob? Do you have a fishy? Oh, another one. Thank you. Thank you. Uh-oh, what are you doing, Cleo, Virginia? What's in there? Oh, what's Cleo doing, Jacob? Go check it out. What's she doing in there? Where's Cleo? He's like, oh, there's trouble to get into. Take a look-see. Like those pants, Jacobo. Looking very styly. Styly! Cleo.
Okay, messenger bar.
Hold on. Cleo, or Jacob.
It's in a nice part of town. It's right near Chinatown.
What do you got? Can you give it to Cleo? Good job. What happened, Jacob? Uh-oh. What happened, Cleo? What's that? Oh, watch finger. Ooh. Oh, Cleo. Oh, good job. You turned around backwards. You're very good. All right, I'm going to follow you.